assume that an animal generates heat at a rate proportional to its volume and shall radiate heat at a rate proportional to its body surface area. Which of these animal would be best at maintaining its body temperature in a cold climate? So these are the answer options. From this answer we can assume that other than rabbit, mouse and fox, bears are heavily in their weight. So according to Bergman's law or Allen's law, surface area to volume ratio for the bear is very low. So surface area to volume ratio is less, so heat loss in case of bear is very less other than mouse, rabbit and fox. So answer is bear.